In this tutorial, you will learn how to identify the features of the product. The ZD420 printer is available in 3 media handling configurations: standard and 2 field installable media handling options, label dispenser, and media cutter. Operator controls with power button, 5 indicators, and 3 control buttons. Zebra's Print Touch feature. The wired communication interfaces are located in the rear. DC power input receptacle, USB host port, USB port, communications connectivity access door and slot. Field installable connectivity options slide in here. Serial port option, Ethernet port option, operator darkness control, media cover latches. Open the printer. Platen roller, movable media sensor, default position for continuous and label media, roll holders with integrated media guides, media guide stop adjustment, Quick Help QR code, standard printer bezel lower media tear-off edge, ribbon supply spindles, ribbon take-up spindles, print head, ribbon sensor, upper media sensor, upper media tear-off edge, reset button, peel bar, dispenser door and door latch, label taken sensor, peel roller, media slot, media cutter exit slot. Do not insert fingers, tools, or other objects in the slot.